we got the Foxwell code scanner.
I'm gonna be giving this away to one of you guys.
You know why? Because I have like 12 scanners. Let's see how it works. Instructions manual. Don't need them. Cord for updating your scanner. With any scanner, you're going to need to update with this plug right here. This is your DLC, your OBD2 connector. You're going to plug that in under your steering wheel, under your dash. You'll find a connector for it. Let me see if I can do this one blind. Oh, yep. I've scanned a car or two in my day. All right, the cord is kind of short. That's the first thing I see, but it lights up right away. First thing you're going to want to do is turn your key to the on position. Enter. There we go. It's starting to load the data. It's saying codes found 5. Read codes, erase codes. It even has live data, freeze frame, O2 monitor test, IM readiness. So we're just going to hit read codes, right? Press OK on read codes. Stored codes or pending codes. Click on.
All right, we got a system 2 lean, bank 1. Bank 2 as well, catalyst deficiency, and evaporative emissions large leak.
You're always going to want to have a scanner with some live data if you're going to do any kind of diagonal.
Go back, and then scroll down 1 to erase codes.
Enter, erase codes, yes, erase done, press any key to continue. No codes stored on the module. There we go. Simply erase and very fast. That's what I like about this scanner. Its loading time is like nothing. If you didn't know how to use a code reader or scanner, now you know how to use a simple one.